respected community leaders sitting on the dais, our teacher, Comrade V.N. Nambudiri, the founder of the BSL Employees Union, the founder of the AIBDPA, and the founder of the BSL CCWF. He is V.N. Nambudiri. Long history of a PNT movement. So it is better to call him as the teacher of the PNT movement. Other leaders sitting on the dais, Comrade K.G. Jairaj, our General Secretary of the AIBDPA, and other leaders of the BSL Employees Union, AIBDPA, CGPA, NCCPA, who are sitting on the dais, Comrade Raghavendra and other leaders. At the outset, I would like to convey red salute and warm greetings to the AIBDPA delegates and leaders on behalf of the BSL Employees Union CHQ for this 5th All India Conference of the Pensioners. Today we are attending this meeting from the BSL Employees Union with our 5 CHQ office bearers. It is a good team of the BSL Employees Union. From CHQ, we are attending this meeting to get your pulse. What is your idea? What is your future course of action? Based on the present situation scenario of the government attack on pensioners, it is more important for us to get the information from you. That's why we, the 5 CHQ leaders, we are attending this meeting. Our President, Comrade Vijay Kumar, is also attending this meeting, and others, our Vice President, our Assistant General Secretary, they are attending this meeting. Apart from this, some delegates are also there in the House who are still in the active role of the BSL Employees Union leadership at circle, district, and the branches. So today this House is a combined delegation of the BSL Employees Union and the AIBDPA. We are attending this meeting after just the agreement of the wage agreement of the non-executives. There are so many leaders who will also speak in the House. But I should tell that on 8th October, the historic day, after a continuous struggle more than 7 years, the BSNL Employees Union and others union, we have compelled the government to put their signature in the wage agreement. It is not like that we put the signature, no. If you tell that we put the signature, no. It is the continuous struggle of the BSNL workers under the leadership of the BSNL Employees Union. And also within your support, we have compelled the Modi government to put the signature in the wage agreement of the RPRC. Now 2 important developments has taken place. Try to follow my points. It will help you to tell your grassroots members. 2 important developments has taken place after the wage agreement. Do you know what is the development? After this wage agreement, now the executives and non-executives दोनों एक साथ मिल करके अभी सोच रहे हैं कैसे हम हंगामा करेंगे डीओटी को और गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को टू गेट द वेज एग्रीमेंट अप्रूवल फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. दोनों मिल करके सरकार से लड़ेंगे. द एग्जीक्यूटिव्स and non-executives to get the approval of the affordability clause from the government. That's why now the executives, they are telling, दादा AUAB, जो AUAB का नाम ये लोग पिछले 3-4 साल बंद कर दिया था. No joint functioning at the CHQ level. Now the executives, they are coming with the BSL employees union, sit together, discussions held at the CHQ level. Why? Because now the important, what Comrade Jairaj has told in the meeting, the agreement by the BSL employees union, that is the fitment formula with at power of the executives. And now the DOT will take the final decision. Now the DOT will take the final decision. Why? Because the executives fitment formula file already has taken up by the DOT. So now the executives, they are coming with the non-executives. We are thinking to give a call, particularly on the third PRC issue. पूरा देश में एक कॉमन प्रोग्राम होना जरूरी है टू गेट द गवर्नमेंट अप्रूवल. हम लोग एक साथ कुछ काम करेंगे. So really it is a very important development after the OAS agreement on 8th October, number one. Another important development, what is the others? Now the pensioners and regular employees will sit together and think about it to give a call for the joint movement of the pensioners and the regular employees. We can give a call effectively, jointly to get the government approval. Why? Because after the OAS agreement, also in this house, there are two groups of the pensioners. How? One group of the pensioners who will get the pension revision based on the OAS agreement. Who are they? The pensioners retired after 2017. Am I correct? That means after 2017, the pensioners can get the pension revision based on the OAS agreement. But what about the others? The other pensioners who retired before 2017, they are given the pension revision. But certainly, when the last signature by the cabinet, मतलब OAS agreement का last signature by the cabinet, when the file will go to the cabinet to get the approval, certainly government should take the common decision for the pensioners after 17 or the pensioners before 17, because the government should take the decision as a whole of the pensioners, not the only pensioner of the 2017. That means the agreement on 8th October, which can help the pensioners after 17, but certainly now the government will be under compulsion to take a common decision for the all pensioners who have retired before 17, who have retired after 17. The government should take the common decision. It has come a new development now. New development now. That's why I am telling the 8th October, the agreement by the BSL employees union has opened the door in important two parameters. One parameter, the joint struggle of the executives and non-executives. And the other parameter, that is the pensioners and the regular employees. We can think effectively, jointly, हम क्या कर सकते हैं? And all leaders sitting on the dais. GL Jogi is here. V.A. Nambudri is here. Comrade Jairaj is here. Vijay Kumar is here. So, we can convey our message of the AIBDPA conference. We can convey our message to the AIBDPA conference. There is the important scenario today now for the working class in BSNL. Today is the important scenario for the pensioners in BSNL, in DOT. Effectively, we can think about it, how we can proceed further. But what is the government idea? Government idea, for the agreement, I have taken 7 years time, 7 years. The negotiation had started in the year 2007-18. The first meeting wage negotiation committee held 2018. And the agreement done on 2025. That means the government has taken about 7 years time to delay to put the signature. Certainly today government will not help you to consider your pension revision or to consider our affordability clause. They will not help you. और उनको भी कुछ नमूना मिल रहा है, नमूना वो कैसे? एग्रीमेंट हो जाने का बाद 70 days passed. It is about more than 2 years passed. आज तक भी वेज एग्रीमेंट का फाइल डीओटी बिल्डिंग में घूम रहा है. वेज एग्रीमेंट will go to 3 buildings. One building, BSNL own building, corporate office. Another building, DOT building. And the last building, cabinet, government of India building. मतलब ये तीनों जगह में आपका वेज एग्रीमेंट का फाइल जाएगा. हमारा अपना बिल्डिंग, that is the BSNL. 2 committee will put the signature. Yes, granted, लिखेगा. कौन लिखेगा? The first committee, small committee, that is the management committee. Management committee, अपना own committee. BSNL board, अपना own board. अभी 3 महीना होने जा रहे हैं. अभी तक ये हमारा वेज एग्रीमेंट till date, it has not been approved by the management committee and the government committee. CMD is telling documentary, पैसा लेके आओ, हम साइन करेंगे. Yes, he has told openly, documentary. हमारे पास पैसा नहीं है. Without the revenue, I cannot sign the wage agreement. It is the open statement of the CMD BSNL. हम जाकर के CMD को ये बात बोल रहे हैं, सर, पीपल्स आर टेलिंग साइन कर दो, पैसा लेके आएंगे. हम खुद बोला, यू आर टेलिंग ऑल ओवर द इंडिया कि रेवेन्यू लेके आओ, हम साइन कर देंगे. Our non-executive staff, they are telling, sir, please you approve the pay scale. We the BSNL employees will take proper care to collect more revenue for the BSNL. इसलिए after agreement, we need some more aggressive and effective joint movement of the BSNL employees, executives, pensioners. Joint together, we can take some action. Number 1. But wage agreement में एक पैरामीटर है, आपको पता होना चाहिए. What is the burden of the financial cost? What is the burden of the financial cost? Burden on BSNL management and burden on government. ये भी वेज एग्रीमेंट का एक पैरामीटर है. मतलब BSNL management should write to the government how you can collect the money to give the salary of the new pay scale. इसमें BSNL अच्छा जगह में नहीं है. For this financial year, BSNL target for the revenue, it is 27,000 crores. Up to November 30th, BSNL total revenue only 11,000 crores. मतलब BSNL failed to collect 50% revenue total financial year. So it is another important point. 4G, 5G, no development. We are losing customers. We are losing customers every month. So how BSNL can earn the money, the revenue to get my new pay scale? That means agreement is not sufficient. How we can get more money through the new pay scale in future? इनके लिए एक अच्छा BSL होना जरूरी है. इनके लिए एक अच्छा BSL having more customers जरूरी है. इनके लिए at least we should earn 25,000 crores in a year जरूरी है. ये सिर्फ CMD का सब्जेक्ट नहीं है, ये सिर्फ मोदी जी का सब्जेक्ट नहीं है, ये हमारा अपना BSL का सब्जेक्ट है. And BSNL employees union is very much serious on the subject. How we can give a proposal to the government, how we can earn more, how we can expand the service. But this government, ये लोग जानबूझ करके हमारा BSNL को खत्म करने का साजिश कर रहे हैं. And during last 15 days, पूरा देश में during last 15 days, BSNL service has been stopped. No new customer, no new customers. CMD is discussed on subject. See, it is another important issue. The pensioners, you are our customer. The pensioners, you are our well-wishers. The pensioners who have much keen interest on the BSNL expansion service. You are the general people. You can form opinion among the public. Certainly, this conference is an important forum where we can tell our anxiety, our eagerness, our feelings कि really third PRC मिलने के लिए जो संघर्ष करना जरूरी है, साथ साथ ये पैसा जहां से आएगा, that is from a good BSNL, from a good BSNL, not the crucial BSNL. Hope this conference will give some guideline. Hope this conference will give some light. BSNL Employees Union certainly will consider your views. BSNL Employees Union certainly will discuss on your approach, on your views, or effectively we can go ahead. And the last point, before I conclude my speech, that is the देश का माहौल कैसे है? The fascistic trend of the Modi government now has come inside the BSNL. Today the BSNL management, they are also a follower of the fascistic trade government. Matlab, in the society, the government of India, the BJP-led NDA government, today they are ruling this country by the fascistic trend. And our BSNL management, inside the BSNL, they are also following this fascistic trend with the union. Do you know what is happening today? For the wage code, labor code bill, we had to take a decision that in BSNL, AIBDPA, BSNL Employees Union and CCWA, we will organize the demonstration program all over the India. But CMD, BSNL and that HR, they are reacting on the issue. You the recognized union, you should not write or paste any poster against the government policy. पहले कभी हुआ था, हमारा website, हमारा अपना मामला, अपना program, I have write down something in my website, but CMD, BSNL, that HR, they are reacting on the subject, being a recognized union. Why you are pasting this poster in the website? Easily we can understand what is the fascism. Easily we can understand that what is the fascism. That means our website, our subject, labor code bill outsider. They are telling labor code bill outsider. What outsider? Labor code bill today, now they are controlling the accounts of the union. Even the EPF contribution, they are reducing the money. Now the Director HR and CMD BSNL, they are very much worried about the BSNL Employees Union with the help of the AIBDPA and CCWF. they are misleading our workforce. So easily we can understand what is the fascistic trend in our country. That means outside the BSNL, the government of India, they are ruling this country as a fascistic trend. Inside the BSNL, the management, I can give another example. Do you know? Nambudri is there. Now the management, they are telling, we should not continue further the secret ballot recognition system. आप लोग सब बैठे हुए हैं ना? आप लोग secret ballot देख के तो चुने हैं? Now the management is telling, we should not continue further the secret ballot verification system. हम allow नहीं करेंगे. बहुत पैसा खर्चा हो रहे हैं. मुझे समझ में आ गया. मोदी जी बाहर में बोल रहे हैं, one country one vote. बोला ना? मोदी जी बाहर में क्या बोल रहे हैं? one country one vote. और अंदर में हमारा CMD क्या बोल रहे हैं? डॉक्यूमेंट लिख करके दिया, चिट्ठी हम लोग को लिख करके दिया. It is better to hold the membership enrollment verification. No secret ballot. Certainly, हमने चिट्ठी लिखा. You can tell your example, but certainly this government, this management should not snatch our democratic right to elect one union by our secret ballot. You cannot snatch this right. लेकिन ये भी हमारा पेंशन लोग को समझना चाहिए. BSNL का अंदर में जो लोग बैठे हुए हैं, अगर इनका दिमाग में ये सोच है कि recognition of the recognition union should not be based on the secret ballot, इसको बोला जाता है the fascistic trend of the BSNL management. And the last example I can conclude, हमने एक चिट्ठी दिया था CMD को. किस लिए? पिछले 15 दिन हमारा कस्टमर छोड़ के जा रहे हैं. They are not getting any service from the customer service center. BSNL management has failed to correct the system. वो चिट्ठी हमने दिया था CMD को. It is my democratic right to give a letter to CMD BSNL. Do you know what they expressed their reaction? चिट्ठी आप दिए हैं वो ठीक है, but that letter should not publish in the public domain. It will damage the BSNL image. Now like this, they are telling their message. Animes Mitra, you are the General Secretary for information. जो आप चिट्ठी दिए हैं, that letter should not come in the public domain through your website. It is against the BSNL management. It is against the BSNL interest. I am writing the letter in favor of the BSNL interest by my management reacting. So these are the best example to follow the new situation scenario inside the BSNL management. That means this BSNL management is total a follower of the Modi government, and they are also reacting in the same way what the Modi government is reacting the outside in the society. Comrade Jairaj has written this matter in your report. इनका कुछ नमूना कॉमरेड जायदाद लिख के हैं. So I want to conclude my speech. The pensioners, you are our guardian. The pensioners, you are our elder brother. The pensioners, you are our leaders. Certainly, this conference will give a proper light to the BSNL Employees Union, to the CCWA. Certainly, some weakness is there. Comrade Jairaj has written the paragraph of the coordination committee of the joint platform. ये भी जरूरी है. BSNL Employees Union is not so sufficient. CCWA is not so sufficient. But if we join together, AIBDPA, BSNL Employees Union, and CCWA, if we join together effectively, the coordination committee of the CCWA, Employees Union, AIBDPA, if we can give some course of action, certainly a message will go. A message will go to the government. Today, the BSNL Employees Union, the team has come to approach you. The team has come to approach you. In the coming days, we should continue our activities in two lines. Railway line, two lines. One line on our ideology, on our own ideology, the ideology having with the AIBDPA, the ideology having with the BSL Employees Union, the ideology having with the CCWF. On one line, we can go ahead with our own struggle. That is the coordinating body of the AIBDPA, CCWF, BSL Employees Union, number one. And the other line, the bigger platform of the executives, non-executives. The bigger platform of the executive, non-executives. If we can run our future journey on the both line, certainly we can hit the capitalist, we can hit the government, we can hit the management, we can hit Adani Ambani rulings of our India. With these few points, I want to conclude my speech. Inqilab Zindabad, AIBDPA, BSL Employees Union, CCWF Zindabad.